Hey everyone, Liam here from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. I'm here showcasing this beautiful 2018 Cadillac XT5. As you can see, the front end is just to die for. It's a beautiful, beautiful front end. You have nice LED strips right down there on the side of the car. This specific vehicle does come with the tow package as well as a beautiful tanned interior, as you see. We have beautiful rims on the car. Very nice rear end. As you can see, you have the XT5 badge right there, as well as the 3.6 badge right there. So you got a good amount of power under the hood. As you can see, it's a very, very beautiful car. Super sleek look. Not too big of an SUV, so it kind of sits right in the middle. I'm gonna bring you guys inside, just give you guys a quick, brief little rundown of the features. Start off here on the door panel. You're gonna have your unlock and lock button there, as well as your controls for your mirrors. Power windows right there, as well as the lock for that. You are going to have electric powered seats. Speaking of the door, you do have your trunk button right there. So if I give that a press, it'll open the trunk. If I press it again, it'll stop it. One more, it'll close it. As you can see, it's just a beautiful, beautiful interior. Very lavish, very, very nice color. You do have the Cadillac badges right there on the seats. If I take you guys in, this is going to be your parking brake. That is just a beautiful steering wheel. Fits really well in the hand. You're gonna have your lights right there. These are going to be your wiper settings. This is your dash. It's a very beautiful dash. Ignore the gas light. You can play with this dash in here as well by just pressing some buttons. You have a bunch of different options that you could play with and set to your wants and needs. You do have a screen right there, as well as a rear view camera. I'll show you guys that. As you can see, a very high resolution camera right there. You're gonna have your controls right here. You also have heated seats for passenger and driver. Mute buttons for the volume, as well as a touch screen right there. Go ahead and mute that. You do have parking sensors as well. As you can see, traction control button right there. A little cup holder area there. You can close it off if you don't want it open. This is going to be your gear shift. You have a little storage inside here with USB ports. Glove compartment right here. One more thing about the doors that I forgot to mention, which I think is a killer for this car, is a Bose sound system. Yeah, you heard that. It's a Bose sound system. So very, very high resolution sound quality. You do have some functions up there. Your seat. Take you guys around back. There's a nice little feature that I do like. If your passenger wants to, he could pull a lever down here and pull the chair up. As you can see, it goes up about 6 inches. Bring it back. You do have your vents that you can manually control here. I'll show you guys the trunk, show you how much space there's in there. For a mid-sized SUV, it does have a good amount of space. So if you want to take it to the cottage or something, you should be able to fit a lot of bags and food in there. You also have a compartment down here with a spare wheel, as well as a lift to lift up the car if you ever want to change the tires yourself. This can also be taken out, as you see. Yeah, so it's a beautiful 2018 Cadillac XT5 equipped with the tow package, as well as a 3.6 liter engine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little rundown of the vehicle. If you do have any more questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. It's 613-745-7051. My extension is 1102 and my name is Liam. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.